Hello everyone, in this video I'll guide you how to set time and date on Casio a168W, as well as we will learn how to change hour formats. This method will even work on other Casio vintage watch like a158W, a159W and all-time hero f91W. So let's get started. The very first step to set time and date on this Casio watch is you have to come in timekeeping mode at first. Currently I am in timekeeping mode. How to identify whether you are in timekeeping mode or not? You can see here hour, minute and date is mentioned. If you are in some other function, simply press left side down button. This is alarm, this is stopwatch. Press one more time. So this is how you can come in timekeeping mode. Once you come in timekeeping mode, you have to press left side down button for 3 times. Once, twice and thrice. After pressing for 3 times, you can see here the seconds have started blinking. Now to adjust or to make it 0, simply press right side down button. Now you can see here whenever I press this right side down button, it makes seconds 0. After this, to adjust hour and minute, you have to press left side top button once. So you can see here the hour have started blinking. Press right side down button to go ahead. So currently I am in AM. If you continue press this right side down button, it even goes to PM. So see, this is how you can even change AM and PM and adjust hours. After adjusting hour to adjust minute, again press left side top button once. You can see here the minute have started blinking. Now press right side down button one by one to go ahead. After adjusting hour and minute, to adjust month and date, you have to press left side top button one more time. You can see here the month have started blinking. Again press right side down button to go ahead. 5, 6, 7. You can choose your preferred month by pressing right side down button. After this, to adjust date, you have to press left side top button one more time. Currently the date is blinking. Again press right side down button to go ahead. So after adjusting date, to adjust days of a week, you have to press left side top button one more time. You can see here Monday is blinking now. Press right side down button to go ahead. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So this is how you can adjust time and date in this watch. Now to keep it all this fixed, you have to press left side down button once. Now whatever the adjustment you have did is fixed over here. Now to change hour format, simply press right side down button. See, this is 24-hour format. If I press this button again, it even goes back towards 12-hour format. So this is how you can adjust time and date as well as change hour format. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you very much for watching till the end.